Do I have to pack all of this?
Hey guys and welcome to the new episode of
So you think you can?
हाँ मुझे तो लगता है मैं कर लूंगी.
How often do I travel?
I've traveled by road, I've traveled by train, plane, boat, you name it.
See, whenever I go on a road trip now, the one thing that I look forward to is टपरी पे उतर के कॉफ़ी पीना. I know लोग usually चाय पीते हैं, लेकिन मुझे
Definitely all the scenery around.
हम लोग गोवा गए थे रोड से तो काफी अच्छा था, मजा आया. I thought people won't find it random but they found it. I usually carry an iron with me.
I carry a lot of laundry bags.
I'll take a bottle of hot sauce on most trips.
Are you wasting my time, guys?
पर करना क्या है?
I have no idea. This is the first time I'm here.
Do you want me to like murder a teddy bear and then get the blood out and put it into Bloody Mary?
I was ready to cook though.
Pack my bag in 5 minutes. Are you serious?
Do I have to pack all of this? Including this fucking teddy? In that suitcase? In one suitcase?
I don't think anybody can pack in 5 minutes.
Pro हूँ मैं इसमें. I hope.
Pretend I'm saying this very confidently.
पागल है क्या?
But where's the bag?
Don't start the timer, please. Please, I want to win this. So you think you can? Please don't start the timer. रोड ट्रिप पे वो लोग ऐसे बैकपैक लेके जाते हैं ना, फन वाले. वो चाहिए.
अच्छा मेरे को क्या चाहिए?
कपड़े.
Wait, what am I going for? Like, am I going for like a function?
Bathrobe because काफी cool लगता है.
I see alcohol here.
चड्डियाँ. बहुत सारी चड्डियाँ.
This was what I was most worried about.
Your car runs into a bush and you have to just shoo it away. So I would take a bat.
Toiletries तो हमने पैक ही नहीं की. So इसकी toiletries.
Socks and shoes.
Why does I can't dedicate so much space to first aid?
Do I have to shut the suitcase also?
Gun, guys. Very important. You never know when you need it. Always got to carry one.
What if my car catches fire?
These are weird things to pack for.
We need a raincoat! Guys, we need a raincoat!
नहीं यार अभी दिसंबर का टाइम है, कहाँ बारिश?
I can do this.
I'm done.
ज़्यादा पैक हो गया है guys. I'll be back.
एक सेकंड इसका नहीं मिल रहा है. Wait!
It's done.
I'm ready to go for my amazing road trip.
I feel like I don't have a charger. Oh my god, packing is hard, man.
By God, थोड़ा सा और टाइम किल कर देती हूँ.
हमें आशा है आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया.
Do let us know in the comment section what you would have packed for your road trip in under 5 minutes.
Do not forget to look out for Gobble's new travel series.
Where our friends Kriti and Pranay take a road trip from Mumbai to Bangalore.
Also, ना भूलें like, share and subscribe to
Cobble.